To generate images for your news content with the help of AI, select your campaign and the desired message and call up the editor for content editing. Click on an image in the preview that you want to replace and select the Replace AI option in the image editor in the settings. Please note, describe in English what you would like to see on the image and, if desired, make settings for the image properties. Then click on Generate Suggestion to generate a picture based on your prompt. As soon as a result is displayed, you can accept it or change your prompt and settings and generate new alternatives. Add the image to your content by clicking on Use Selection. Finally, save the editor and apply the content.